are walking the streets of Galveston like three hoodlums looking for trouble.
Okay, we are at the Portland Airport.
Oh,
Good morning. Guess what day it is? It's fly day.
it's fly day.
Fly day. We get to go to Galveston today. But for now, we are at the Portland Airport that is newly refinished. All this cool looking wood.
A lot of wood.
It's kind of woody. Anyway, that was bad. Very terrible.
I'm still waking up.
We're waiting for Mel and Carol to get through security, and then we will head to our gate and talk to you in a bit.
Yeah, we'll see you in a bit.
Okay, so we are sitting here, drinking our coffee, waiting to board onto the plane, and Mel discovered her phone's almost dead. So Mel, in her Meliness, unpacked her carry-on luggage, which is that big bag way over there. Found a cord.
It's my personal item.
Repacked it all back up. This is vacation, guys. My best friend loves to pack a lot of stuff. But I love her. Then we got Carol.
What?
And Chris.
What's wrong?
And what did you forget now?
No, I don't have the right. I think I'm good to go get one.
I think this is vacation
No,
troubles.
It doesn't have
Chris
the
is
right
about to help her though.
for my
She'll survive.
Which I
I
just
promise.
discovered.
We'll make sure she's okay.
Hi there. And good morning. We are on the plane. What? You ready to go?
I'm so ready to go.
Okay, we just boarded Southwest. Not a full flight, so we were able to get seats next to each other here. Hopefully.
A lot of
think we're
people
good.
still coming on.
Yeah.
So
More people
we'll
coming.
die in a few.
So next stop is Phoenix, and then it's Phoenix to Houston. So let's party on.
Party on, guys.
Okay, we'll talk to you in a bit. Hi. So you have some snacks.
Grab crackers and pretzels.
It says they're stellar.
What?
See? It's stellar. And these say delicious. Stellar. Delicious.
We have made it. We are in Houston. Actually, no, I take that back. We're in Galveston. We've made it to Galveston. We are waiting for our ride share. We actually ordered it last night. So he's here and heading over to pick us up. So no wait. Pretty cool. Pretty excited. Can't wait to get to the hotel. Talk to you soon.
Okay, hey, we are in the 1890 Freeman House,
Oh, it's really cool in here.
Galveston, Texas. I'm gonna turn it on the other camera here. So here's what it looks like. This is the downstairs. See, they have like, you can go upstairs to the other rooms. I don't think they have an elevator, so if you have mobility problems, don't think you're gonna wanna stay up there. And they got like towels here. It's sort of like a self-check-in thing. And here they got the common kitchen. So I guess if you wanna cook something, you can do that.
You need to go up the stairs because the girls are up to the stairs.
Yeah. I probably should do that, huh? Well, here's the sitting area, and they got the Keurig over there. I guess you can make a drink right here. That's kind of cool. And then you got this porch out here. I'll stop it for a moment and I'll show you the front of it. And Brandy's opening the door. Ooh, bright light. Let's walk out here just for a second. Now they're doing some construction out there on the sewer line. So that's not as visually appealing, but you know, at least they're fixing the sewer line. So you got some rocking chairs out here.
Where we will be sitting
And out
tonight.
here. It's out here in the humidity because it's quite humid. But Brandi likes the humidity, so she doesn't care. So here they got this little thing. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Yeah. So when you come in, you come to this little thing here and you sign in, and there's a little box Brandi's opening, and that's where your key will be. But you have to have the code to get in, right?
Mm-hmm, you do?
What do you think of the place so far?
I'm loving it. You got to see upstairs, though.
It's very nice, very historic.
It is haunted.
Haunted. Yeah. Ooh. Let's take you up the stairs. I'll try to do this smoothly. Oh, painting, stained glass. Nice. Artwork on the wall there. Mind if I come in here, ladies?
Go for it. You want me to close up my bag so you can take a
No,
picture?
don't worry about it.
Okay, she did get something.
I'm recording, by the way. You don't have to be quiet now.
What they need.
It's too late for that, Mel.
You can tell Mel overpacked. Man. We're not.
So we have this little outside area right here. Oh, so this is for actually the people that are staying here, which I don't know if anybody's in there or not. But here's a little view of the neighborhood. There's a room right here and back inside. All right, well, I packed a bunch of wine in this suitcase, and we use these bags. You pump these bags up with air, and I packed 6 bottles of wine, and here's one of the bags. And these things held up great. All the wine's okay. It survived. The wine's okay, Bran. See, the wine unscathed. They do have a corkscrew here, so if you want to drink wine, you don't have to bring your own corkscrew.
All right, we just finished the Coastal Grill and it was so good. But now we're heading down to, I don't know what street number, I think 20th, because there's a parade going on. So we're gonna see if we can find anything good, cool, neat, whatever, on the parade and show you some footage. Mwah! See you soon.
Hello, Cruiselandians. Hey, we are on the porch of the 1890 Freeman House, having some wine. Hey, Bran. Rocking chairs. We got Mel here, and we got Carol yonder. So we brought wine with us. I think I already told you that. And we are partaking in wine consumption right now. I think Brandi and myself, maybe Mel, are gonna hit the town, maybe, if we feel like it, after we have some wine. We don't know for sure. We were just discussing what we're gonna do tomorrow. I think we're gonna go ahead and try to walk to the port tomorrow. It's less than a mile. See, 15 minutes?
It says 15 minutes and it's 0.7 of a mile.
7/10 of a mile. I think that's doable.
From
where we're at. Yeah. So maybe that's what we'll do. What do you think, ladies?
I like it. Let's do it.
But for now, we're gonna just drink wine and ponder life and
Yes.
listen to the generator thing that's down the street.
What did you guys think of the food at
Oh yeah, what did you think of the
Coastal
food?
Grill?
Oh God, it was
Very-
excellent. It
yeah.
was good.
Yeah?
It was very good. I was very, yes. I ate 3 pieces of that quesadilla and that was really good. And those onion strings were amazing.
They were really good. I tried a couple. Yeah.
Yeah, they were good. And the chipotle mayo, I thought might be spicy, but it wasn't that bad. It was very good.
Nice. Mel,
Better than the sour cream.
Hi.
how was your shawarma wrap?
Yeah, chicken shawarma. Yeah, good. And I also got a side of rice pilaf and a side of mashed potatoes. Forgetting the fact that when you're in Texas, portions are bigger.
Man,
So
did
you don't need to order 2 sides unless you're super hungry, you haven't eaten a week. That's my take on it. It's very delicious. Highly recommend it.
Yeah,
Watch out, them portion sizes in Texas. You heard it from Mel. And Bran?
Wow. The portion sizes were incredible. But
And what'd you have? You had shawarma, right?
so Chris and I were going to share the shawarma platter and French fries. And then he went on to order a po' boy and shrimp ceviche. And when it came out, it was enough to feed like 6 people. And then the girls got their food, which, too much. Over the top. We had way too much. But it was so good. Very good. Highly recommended.
Yeah.
And it
I
was
agree.
really good prices too. Like when you go to a beach town, you expect, I don't know, in my book, higher prices, right? Because you're in a port city. But they were fair prices, like between 10 and 15, 20 bucks for whatever you ordered, depending on what it was.
Especially the
So,
fish. The fish wasn't ridiculously expensive. And the shrimp was really good. I could tell they were
Yeah.
Gulf shrimp. Well, they should be, right?
That
We're
was
in the
really,
Gulf.
really good.
But the shrimp were good.
So,
Okay, well, we're going to drink our wine, rock away, rock on,
Yeah.
Bran, rock on.
Petite Syrah from Waiting Tree Winery.
Waiting Tree Winery. Here's a plug for Waiting Tree. Look that up, people.
Yep. If you
Excellent
like
wine.
Mary Hill wines, you'll like Waving Tree more. I promise.
Sorry, Mary Hill. Okay, sign off, Bran.
Enjoy.
Hey, you too.
Well, we are out and about in Galveston town.
Found the cutest little area here with lights and hanging vines,
Yeah,
pergolas.
you can't tell by the video here, but it is,
Adorable.
it's 9:15 in the evening.
Okay.
So it is not as bright as it looks. All right. Okay, I think we've formulated a plan. It is currently, well, what time is it? It is almost 10 o'clock. We are walking the streets of Galveston like three hoodlums looking for trouble.
Streetwalkers.
Streetwalkers, yeah. And
Noel's in the lead.
we are going to attempt to walk to the port tomorrow from our hotel. First, we're going to walk, which is about halfway, to this cafe called the Sunflower Cafe or something like that.
Well, and mind you, we were going to go to the Star Cafe, which is the original drugstore. However, we decided to change that up because the amount of walking it would take to go to that one, we could get to the Sunflower, have breakfast, and be over halfway to the destination of getting to the port, which in my book, way more important.
I concur. So we're gonna wind down tonight and get back to the Zia Hotel, get some sleep,
Yeah.
and see you in the morning.
Yeah.
So chow mein, pork fried rice.